Welcome to What is Pandas? This is the first notebook in the Intro to Pandas part. So what exactly is Pandas? Well, it's a popular open source Python data exploration library that gives its users the power to explore, query, transform, aggregate, and visualize data, amongst many others. So why are we going to choose Pandas and not some other tool for data analysis? Well, there are many other tools just as capable as Pandas for completing data analysis tasks, but there are also many reasons that make Pandas an attractive choice. Number one, it's a Python library, and Python has become one of the most popular programming language today. And if your goal is to analyze data programmatically, which is what Pandas helps you do, then often you'll choose Python as your language, and then Pandas is the most popular tool within Python to do data analysis. There are also many other ecosystems within Python to help you do data visualization or machine learning or just any other scientific computing task. And Pandas integrates well with these other libraries such as NumPy, scikit-learn, StatsModels, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and many others. Another reason is that Pandas is nearly self-contained, meaning that there's lots of functionality built into a single package. So if you do have some specific data analysis task, Pandas is almost always capable of completing it, and there won't be much of a need to import other libraries to do the task that you're wishing to complete. It's also easy to get help. So you're often just a quick internet search away from finding a solution to a data analysis task using Pandas. And if a specific task you can't find help for, you can use sites such as Stack Overflow, where questions are often answered very quickly, as there's just so many people that know Pandas and are experts at it and are willing to provide you the exact help to your specific problem. Looking at the name, you'll probably be reminded of an East Asian bear, but that's not where the term Pandas comes from. Pandas was created in 2008 by Wes McKinney while working at the hedge fund AQR. And it's common in finance speak to use the term panel data to refer to two-dimensional data, which is what Pandas analyzes. And if you smash together panel and data, then you'll come up with Pandas. You're likely aware that Python already has data structures to handle data, and you might be wondering why we need Pandas. So the built-in data structures, such as lists, sets, tuples, and dictionaries, are not built for scientific computing. They are general-purpose data structures that can handle many different types of data, and they are not optimized for the type of operations that are necessary when doing scientific computing. Another library called NumPy, short for numerical Python, does have a data structure called an array, which contains homogeneous data and is optimized for scientific computing. The Pandas library is built directly on top of this NumPy library and just adds considerable more functionality that is common to people doing data analysis. One thing to note is that Pandas operates on tabular data. This is the regular two-dimensional data of rows and columns that you typically see, rectangular shaped, otherwise known as a table. And Pandas is able to read in many different formats of data, such as XML, JSON, CSV, Parquet, and many others. And when Pandas reads in a particular data set, it will always return it as a data frame. The data frame, along with the series, are the two primary Pandas objects that contain all of the data. We will go deep into both of these objects. So specifically, a data frame is a two-dimensional data structure that looks like any other rectangular table of data with rows and columns. A series is just a single dimension of data, and it's analogous to a single column of data in a table or a one-dimensional array. So some resources for you. The Pandas documentation is very good and could be open at all times while you're going through this course. It's available at pandas.pydata.org. And then, of course, the videos in the Master Data Analysis with Python series. This is an extremely comprehensive path for learning Pandas. There's hundreds of exercises and projects for you.